Winning in Blackout Bingo depends less on luck than speed. Every player gets the same bingo board, which means faster pattern recognition usually beats random tapping. By the end of this, you'll know the real strategy to win more matches on Blackout Bingo and stop making the mistakes that cost points. Here's the direct answer. Focus on power-ups, clear corners first, and scan patterns instead of individual numbers. That gives you the biggest edge. Start with board control. The fastest players don't chase random numbers. They work sections. A strong move is clearing the corners early. Corners open up more pattern options. That matters because Blackout Bingo rewards completed patterns, not just filled spaces. More open paths means faster scoring. Next, memorize the common pattern shapes. This is huge. Patterns repeat. Lines, corners, X shapes, and full rows show up constantly. If you recognize the shape instantly, you react faster. If you're still searching after the number appears, you're already behind. This is where wins are decided. Now use power-ups smart.I. Power-ups can change the whole game. Don't burn them the second you get them. Save them for crowded boards or when you're one move away from a big combo. That creates bigger score spikes. Timing beats panic. Another real strategy is number scanning. Don't look at the whole board every time. Split it mentally into 4 zones. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. That cuts search time. Less searching means more taps. More taps means more completed patterns. Speed compounds. Practice matters too. The first few games feel chaotic. After that, your eyes get faster. That's normal. Play shorter focus sessions instead of long sloppy ones. 10 sharp games teach you more than 30 distracted ones. Avoid one mistake. Don't tunnel on one pattern. If another easy pattern is almost done, take it. Points stack faster through flexibility. That's how top players stay ahead. And watch the clock. Blackout Bingo is time. If you're behind, stop building perfect setups and finish fast. A completed smaller pattern is worth more than an unfinished big one. Quick recap. Clear corners early. Learn the common pattern shapes. Save power-ups for key moments. Scan the board in zones. Stay flexible when patterns open up. Practical next step. Play your next 5 games focusing only on faster pattern recognition, not just tapping speed. If this helped you win smarter, hit like and subscribe for more real money game strategies.